In this video, we will work on this problem from 2020 paper 1. So let us look at the thought process and how we identify the key points of the problem, right? So if you read the problem, it says there is a football, right? It is kept on a hole on a plank, and as we increase the slope angle theta of the plank at some angle, like at theta greater than theta max, right, the ball will roll down. The ball will roll down, and we have to find out what is this theta max, right? But it will only happen when the slope angle theta is more than this maximum value, right? And there is only one correct option. So the catch here is that there is a theta, right? When you cross that value, and if it is rolling down, it has to happen because of a force, right? Because of the force, the gravity, it will pull it down, right? So something that is stopping the ball from rolling before that theta value, theta max value, it will not stop the ball from rolling. So that is what we have to find out, what changes at theta max. And for that, we need to analyze the forces on the football, right? And see what is happening when theta is very small, closer to 0, right? And when theta is very large, closer to 90. So what we do, let's draw a figure, right? Theta very small. And now if you look at mg, right? So look at mg here, right? Theta very small and theta very large. And now look at mg. There is a fundamental change, and the change is, look at this point here. Let's call this point A, right? A. So what happens is that here the ball will not roll down, right? So mg is on left side of A, right? In this one here. But here mg is on right side of point A, and the ball will roll down. Ball rolls down, right? So we have to look at the limiting case when the mg is directly passing through this point A, neither left neither right. And when you do that, you draw a figure, and you will see that you can use this triangle here, right? You can use this triangle, and in this triangle right here, so this is theta. So if you draw like this, right, and this is horizontal, so this is theta, and if that is theta, this will be 90 minus theta. So, and these line and these line, they are perpendicular, so this will be theta. And in this triangle you will see sine theta, right? This is 90 degrees, so sine theta, this, it is the whole radius, lowercase r, and divided by the ball radius, right? Now if you so this option is correct. And now if you go back, you want to think more, then to only mg will create a torque, right? Mg will roll it like this. The mg will roll it like this, right? And here mg will roll it the other way, so the ball will not slide down. So again, the most important thing is to understand that something will change, right, at a particular value of theta. And once you figure that out, you have solved the problem.